Hi dear students, this class we are going to begin with a new idea, that is locus. What is a locus? The set of all points in a plane or a space which satisfies the given condition. The collection of all points in a plane or in a space which satisfies the given condition is called a locus. You see here, this is a point, fixed point. All these points, the collection of all these points satisfying one condition. What is that condition? This distance. This distance is equals to constant. Then all these points represents a circle or not? The collection of all these points is a circle, right? Whereas here you can observe, these are the two fixed points, and a point is moving in such a way, PA is equals to PB. PA is equals to PB. This distance is the same as this distance. The point P is moving in such a way, its distance from two fixed points is always equal. The locus of all these points, collection of all these points only we are calling as a locus. The collection of all these points, that means all the points satisfying this condition, is a line. That line is nothing but the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining A comma B. You will get, this is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment A, B. So that is about the locus, and we are going to discuss how to find out the equation of a locus. Now here I am taking, this is a fixed point, let us say this is origin. Because all these points, locus equation we have to find out. So that's why I am taking this point as some h comma k, right? So what this point satisfying the condition? The condition is AP is equals to R. What is AP? Distance between these 2 points, h minus 0 whole square plus k minus 0 whole square under root is equal to R square. Now h square plus k square is equal to R square. That means this point. But these type of points are so many, are there or not? All these points, that's why we are introducing in place of h comma k. That means with this point we got this equation. Similarly with this point another equation, with this point another equation. All these points, that's why in place of h comma k, if you write x comma y, you will get this locus equation you will get. So that is nothing but the locus of a point h comma k, because it is a moving point. All those moving points is x square plus y square is equals to r square. Nothing. One point we took h comma k. So that's why that h comma k is replaced with x comma y. So x square plus y square is equal to r square. It represents this locus equation. What is this locus? Circle. So this represents the equation of a circle with the center 0 comma 0, radius is equals to r, right? Now here I am taking the question like this. This point is given as a 3 comma 4, right? So another point is given as here not 3 comma 4, the point is given here 1 comma 2, and this point is given as a 2 comma 1. He is asking to find the locus. He is asking to find the locus of a point P such that PA is equals to PB given. PA is equals to PB means this distance is the same as this distance. This distance is the same as this distance. This distance is the same as this distance. These two distances are equal. Go here somewhere. This distance is the same as this distance. All these type of points, where they lie? Definitely all these points lie on a straight line. That line equation is nothing but equation of the locus. So we are going to find out. Let us say this point as h comma k. Then what happens? PA h minus 1 whole square plus k minus 2 whole square under root is equals to h minus 2 whole square plus k minus 1 whole square under root. Now we can simplify this one. H square plus 1 minus 2h plus k square plus 4 minus 4k is equals to h square plus 4 minus 4h plus k square plus 1 minus 2k. H square, k square, h square, k square cancelled. Shift all the terms to this side. You will get 2h, right? So minus 2k. 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. Here also 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. So you will get 0. Therefore h minus k is equals to 0. Therefore this set of all these points equation means h comma k we have to replace with x comma y. So we will get x minus y is equal to 0. So this is the equation of locus for this set of all these points. So there is another question given like this. The question is given in this way. 3, 4, 1, 2. P be a point such that angle APB is equals to 90 degrees. So angle APB is equals to 90 degrees. That is the information given for us. So this point is A and this point is B. Here this angle is given as 90 degrees. Let us say this point is given 3, 4 and this point is given 1, 2 and we can take this one as h comma k. Now we can apply Pythagoras theorem or not. So what we can write? AP square plus BP square is equal to AB square. What about AP? Distance between these 2 points. H minus 3 whole square plus k minus 4 whole square. Next h minus 1 whole square plus k minus 2 whole square. So this part is AP. Under root you will get, but square is there. That's why here under root you will get, but square is there. That's why root cancelled. Next AB means 3 minus 1 whole square you will get 4. 4 minus 2 whole square also will get 4. Now with simplification we have to do that. We can write it as h square plus 9 minus 6h plus k square plus 16 minus 8k. Again h square plus 1 minus 2h plus k square plus 4 minus 4k is equals to 8. Its simplification you will get 2 times h square plus 2 times k square minus 6h minus 2h becomes minus 8h minus 8k minus 4k. So we will get minus 12k. 9 plus 16 25 30, right? So 30 shift to this side you will get minus 22 plus 22 is equal to 0. Once again 16 plus 5 is 25. 25 plus 5 30. 30 minus 8 22. Now we can cancel 2 throughout the equation. The locus equation is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is equals to 0. That is the required locus equation. The same question we can do it in another way if you know some basic ideas. Just I want to discuss those basic ideas. All of you pay attention here. Next chapter, that means straight lines. We are going to discuss all these ideas. At present just pay attention here. This is a straight line. A line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise sense. This theta, a line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise sense. This theta is called the inclination of a line. if theta is the inclination of a line, then tan theta is called slope of the line. That is the meaning of slope of a line. A line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise sense. This theta is called the inclination of a line. If theta is the inclination, then tan theta is called slope of the line. At the same time, here one point is there x1, y1. Here one more point is there x2, y2. The slope of this line is given by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. That is the way of finding the slope. How will we discuss in straight lines? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is the slope of the line. ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the equation of a straight line. This line slope is given by minus of x coefficient divided by y coefficient. Slope of this line is equal to minus x coefficient divided by y coefficient. At the same time, these are the two lines. These two lines are parallel lines. Two lines are parallel. This line slope is m1 and this line slope is m2. Then these two lines are parallel lines, means m1 is equals to m2. Now the two lines are perpendicular. One line slope is m1 and the second line slope is m2. If the two lines are perpendicular, then product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. For every idea how we are getting, we are going to discuss within 4-5 days about this entire discussion. Okay, but at present try to remember these ideas to do the problems in easy way. Once again, theta is the inclination of a line, then tan theta is called the slope of the line. 2 points given, then slope of this line is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is the slope of this line. Next, this line slope is equals to minus a by b. If two lines are parallel, then their slopes must be equal. If two lines are perpendicular, then product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. So with the help of that idea, the same question we can do it in this way. What is saying? Let us say this is a, b, p. I am taking this point as h comma k, and this point is given 3 comma 4, and this is given as 1 comma 2. Now what is saying in the question? These two are perpendicular. Two lines are perpendicular. What is the slope of this line? That line slope is equal to k minus 4 divided by h minus 3. K minus 4 by h minus 3. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. But what is the slope of this line? K minus 2 by h minus 1. So k minus 2 by h minus 1 is the slope of this line, and this line slope also we got. Product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. Then we will get k square minus 6k, k square minus 4k minus 2k plus 8 is equals to minus of h square minus 4h plus 3. Now shift all the terms to this side. You will get h square plus k square minus 4h minus 6k plus 11 is equals to 0. Therefore the locus equation is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. Earlier also we got the same equation. That is the advantage if you know the slope idea, right? So the one more question is given like this. The locus of foot of the perpendicular from 3 comma minus 2 to a variable line passing through the point 4 comma 1. This is the information given. From a point 3 comma minus 2, we have to draw a line perpendicularly, which we will call it as the foot of the perpendicular. to a variable line passing through a fixed point 4 comma 1, because through this point we can draw infinite number of lines. All those lines, to all those lines from a point we are drawing the foot of the perpendicular equal this particular point locus we have to find out. This is say P H comma K. What is the information? From a point 4 comma 1 we can draw infinite number of lines. Okay, this is one of the line. From a point 3 comma minus 2 on to this line, this is the foot, right? Whenever these type of lines, so many lines are possible, means these type of points also will get so many, because for every line, onto every line we are drawing the foot of the perpendicular. So this is one of the point, right? Now what is the condition we have to write? Foot of the perpendicular. That means these two are perpendicular, but these two are perpendicular means the product of the slopes is equal to -1. Therefore we will get K minus 1 divided by H minus 3 is the slope of this line. This slope is equals to K plus 2 divided by H minus 3. Product of the slopes is equal to -1. Now simplify, you will get the locus equation. So the next question is given in this way. One point is given A 3 comma 4 and one more point is given B 1 comma minus 2. He is asking the locus of a point P such that area of a triangle PAB is equals to 3.5 square units. Triangle area is given as 3.5 square units. Then he is asking the locus of a point. Okay, let us say the one point is P H comma K, the other point is given 3 comma 4 and one more point is B 1 comma minus 2. We have to find out the area of a triangle PAB. How to find out the area of a triangle PAB? Half into, right? So 3 comma 4 1 comma minus 2 H comma K. Again the first one we have to write at the last. x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. First one written at the last is equals to 3.5 square units. Area of a triangle is given as 3.5 square units. That is the condition given for us. Now this simplification is -6 minus 4 plus K plus 2H plus 4H minus 3K in modulus is equals to 7, right? You know how to find out the area. This product minus this product, its multiplication minus here multiplication 4H minus 3K. Now what about this simplification? 4H plus 2H is equal to 6H minus 2K. Next minus 10 is equal to 7 possible. 6H minus 2K, right? 6H minus 2K minus 10 is equal to minus 7 also possible. Therefore we are getting the locus equation is 6x minus 2y minus 17 is equal to 0 is 1. The other one is 6x minus 2y minus 3 is equals to 0. So this is the locus equation. No doubt these two lines are parallel lines. These two lines are parallel lines. Just you can observe. Here slope is equal to -6 divided by -2. I told ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Slope of this line is equal to -a by b. That's why this line slope is equal to -6 divided by -2. This line slope also -6 divided by -2. That's why these two lines are parallel lines, right? So what is the meaning actually here? This is one line, this is another line. Both the lines are parallel lines. Here there is another line is there. That is nothing but this is A point and this is the B point. The P point is here, area is equal to 3.5. P point is here, area is equal to 3.5. If suppose P point is here, area is equal to 3.5. Suppose P point is here, area is equal to 3.5. Now P point is here. So all these triangles, area is equal to 3.5 only. So that's why where all these points are moving on two parallel lines. Okay. So this is one line and this is another line. That is the combined. If you multiply both, you will get the combined equation of locus. Or you can leave it like that. Just we have to identify the condition. Once you identify the condition, the problem nothing here. Next question is given like this: A 1, 2 given, B is given as a 2, 1, and the condition is given as PA by PB is equals to 2. Then we can write PA square is equals to 4 into PB square. Now what is the PA square? H minus 1 whole square plus K minus 2 whole square is equals to 4 into, what about PB square? H minus 2 whole square plus K minus 1 whole square. Now simplify, you will get the locus equation. The set of all points satisfying this condition. So we got this one, right? Now what is the meaning for this? Observe here. Here one point is there A, and here one more point is there B, right? So a point is dividing in such a way 2:1, because a point divides A and B in the ratio 2:1. Internally also possible. Let us say this point as a C. Externally also another point is possible. Let us say that is equals to D. Right? So this A point and B point, definitely this will be more clear once the entire geometry is over, either circle or straight lines or parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. But just try to follow the things. So now here this is point is A and this point is B. Those are the 2 points given for us, 1, 2. The other point is given 2, 1. I hope so everyone know how to find out the coordinates of C. By using the section formula, you can find out the coordinates of C. Next, you can find out the coordinates of D also. This is internal division, you will get C. External division, you will get D. Now, with the CD as a diameter, if you construct a circle, so this is a circle. With the CD as a diameter, we are constructing a circle. With the CD as a diameter, a circle is constructed. Right? So this circle equation, you will get this simplification. That means the point P will be here. In this case, or the point is here, or the point is here. The point P is moving on this circle. The point P, this is also P, 2:1. Yeah, this is also P, ratio is 2:1. Here also P, that means this length, suppose 4 means this length will be 2, then only will get 2:1. So that's why all these points move on this circle, right? So here one condition we can write: whenever PA by PB is equals to K given, the first case we know, when K is equals to 1, what happens when K is equals to 1? PA is equal to PB, which we discussed, perpendicular bisector the beginning. Next, if K value is not equals to 1, the locus of P represent a circle. The locus of P represent a circle with CD as a diameter. If K value not equals to 1, the locus of P represent a circle. That circle diameter is C, D. But how to get C point and D point? We will get C point and D point. C divides AB in the ratio 2:1 internally. D divides AB in the ratio 2:1 externally. So then we can get the locus of this circle. Now my question is, to get this area of a triangle PAB maximum. Area of a triangle PAB maximum when we will get? Yes, you will get area of a triangle PAB maximum because this is height. If suppose P is here, this is the height. But when you will get this height as a maximum, you will get this height as a maximum only when this point P is here. Right? So point P is here, the height becomes maximum. Yes or no? This is the maximum height. Whenever we have a maximum height, because area of a triangle PAB, half into base is equal to AB into height. Height is nothing but from P onto the diameter. From P onto the diameter, perpendicular distance. So this is the height. This is the maximum height. That maximum height is nothing but the radius. That radius is nothing but diameter divided by 2. Right? So to get the maximum area of this triangle PAB, so this idea we can use, right? So what is the information we discussed now? PA by PB is equals to K. If K is equals to 1, the locus of P is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining A comma B. If K is not equals to 1, the locus of P is a circle whose diameter is C. D is the diameter. What is C? C divides the point A and the point B in the ratio K:1 internally. D divides the point A and B in the ratio K:1 externally. So that circle diameter is CD. That is the discussion, right? So one more question we can see here. X cos theta plus y sin theta is equals to A. Next, x sin theta minus y cos theta is equals to B. No doubt this equation represents a line. Line equation is always in this form. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the equation of a line. Yes, these are the two lines. Definitely for different values of theta you will get different lines. Those are the two lines. Those two lines are intersection point locus is asking. Two lines, point of intersection locus is asking. Nothing I am going to do here. From these two equations I am going to eliminate theta. Theta elimination I am doing. If you eliminate theta, you will get the locus equation. Squaring on both sides. X square cos square theta plus y square sin square theta plus 2xy into sin theta cos theta is equals to a square. Whereas here x square sin square theta plus y square cos square theta minus 2xy sin theta cos theta is equals to b square. Now add both, you will get x square plus cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. So these are two lines, intersection locus is x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. But because for different values of theta you will get different lines. That's why I am eliminating theta. We got the locus equation. So this is the one more question. The question is given in this way. X is equals to a by 2 into t plus 1 by t. Y is equals to a by 2 into t minus 1 by t. Right? So I can write here 2x by a is equals to t plus 1 by t whole square. Whereas here 2y divided by a is equals to t minus 1 by t whole square. Now I can write here 2x by here we get 4x square by a square. 2x by a is equal to t plus 1 by t, squaring on both sides. Here also the same, you will get 4y square divided by a square. Now from these two we are going to eliminate t, because locus of a point x comma y is asking eliminate t. So 4x square by a square is equals to t plus 1 by t whole square can be written as t minus 1 by t whole square plus 4. A plus b whole square can be written as a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Now in place of t minus 1 by t whole square we can write, so this is 4x square by a square is equal to 4y square by a square plus 4. Now I can write x square by a square minus y square by a square is equals to 1. That is the locus for that particular point. So this is another question. 2 cos theta minus 3 comma 3 sin theta minus 4. For this point we have to find out the locus. For this point locus means, let us say this is h comma k, eliminate theta, then what happens? 2 cos theta is equals to h plus 3, from here 3 sin theta is equals to k plus 4. Therefore we are getting h plus 3 divided by 2 is equal to cos theta, whereas k plus 4 divided by sin theta is equals to 3. K plus 4 by 3 is equals to sin theta. Next, h plus 3 whole square divided by 4 plus k plus 4 whole square divided by 9 is equals to 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1. Now h comma k replace with x comma y, we will get the locus equation. This is the information given in the question. A straight rod of length 9 units. This point is on x-axis and this point is on y-axis. That is the information given. A straight rod of length 9 unit slides with its ends a comma b always on x and y-axis. The locus of centroid of a triangle OAB. Now I can take the rod like this also. Then centroid change or not? I can take the rod like this also, because rod length is fixed. This rod length also 9, this rod length also 9, this rod length also 9. Okay. So like this, so many rods you will get whenever, so many triangles you will get whenever we are getting so many triangles. Centroids also different or not? All those centroids locus he is asking to find. So that's why what I am doing, observe here. So this rod length is given as 9. I am taking this is equals to a. That's why this point is a comma 0, because this length is a. That's why the point is a comma 0, and this length is equal to, let us say, b. So this point is becoming 0 comma b. Now from this figure we can write a square plus b square is equals to 9 square. That is the condition we have, because this rod length is 9. This is a we assumed, this is b we assumed. Now can you tell me what is the centroid of a triangle ABB? Because centroid of a triangle OAB locus we have to find out. What is the centroid of a triangle OAB? Centroid of a triangle OAB is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. 0 plus a plus 0 divided by 3. Next, 0 plus 0 plus b divided by 3. That is the centroid. Its locus we required. Centroid locus we have to find out. That's why centroid we are assuming as h comma k. Now we will get a by 3 is equal to h and b by 3 is equals to k. Therefore you will get A is equal to 3h and B is equal to 3k. A, B values substitute there. You will get 9h square plus 9k square is equals to 9 square. Therefore you will get x square plus y square is equals to 9. That means all those centroids of the triangle lie on this particular curve. So this is the another information. This one also, after discussion of conic section, it is going to be more easy. Just note down these points. PA plus PB is equals to K. PA plus PB is equals to K, and AB, because A point they will give, B point also they will give. AB is less than K. AB is less than K. Then the locus of P. The locus of P is an ellipse. At present you can't follow why it represents an ellipse. Will be discussed in the coming classes, right? Just at present note down as a point. Next, but if AB less than K means the locus of P is an ellipse. But what happens if AB is equals to K? The locus of P is a pair of straight lines. Nothing. You can observe here. This length is equal to A, B. This length is equal to K. Now here a point P is there. PA plus PB is equal to K. Now you can take that point P here. You can take that point P here. PA plus PB is equal to same K. That's why the point P must lie on the segment AB or not. So that is another one. At the same time, PA minus PB is equals to K. PA minus PB is equals to K, and AB greater than K. This condition satisfying AB, or A means A point they will give, B point also they will give. Distance between those two points is AB. If AB is more than K, then the locus of P is hyperbola. Right? So better to note down these points and then try to work out the questions on locus. Okay? Thank you.